Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am going to be propagating the Coleuses that I got from the plant sale. They are right here. Ooh. Right here. They are super tall. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Chop and prop in water. So let's go ahead and get all of these cut and then we will propagate them. So when you're propagating your Coleuses, you want to come down the stem and you want to have a good piece, at least for these specific Coleuses. I've got this long stem here that is going to be perfect for sitting in a glass vase to propagate. So I'm looking down here at every leaf. There are nodes between the leaf and the stem, and when you cut just above that, it will wake up these auxiliary buds here, and that's why you see the leaves there. Sometimes they will wake up on their own, and then sometimes they will wake up when you lose a leaf. Like here, there's a leaf gone, so that woke up this bud and probably that one as well. So let's look at this stem here. This guy, his auxiliary nodes are awake. So I decided that I would like to cut lower. And then this one as well will be a lower cut. And now they're all cut.